Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Maryland Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Makos. This is my second visit for this school year, 2025-2026. Got one more in May. But today's focus for the AM, PM students and staff right here in the MPR was all about compassion, right? One of the slides from the presentation today. And compassion is us kind of having empathy for someone else that our heart kind of feels for someone that might be going through something difficult, might be experiencing some type of pain. But then we also take action with respect to those feelings, and we go and try to help them, right? And, it's so important that we do this because, one simple act of kindness can maybe change not just one life at a time, but change a life forever, right? That it can positively impact someone if we choose that type of love. And the students really got that today through a series of heartfelt stories, the picture slides that reinforced the powerful message, some of the videos that were very motivational, a little bit of hip hop at the end, talking about the miracle of friendship. All of that intertwined was how I was trying to really impress upon their hearts this idea of compassion. And we know that these acts of kindness too sometimes take very little effort, right? But they can have a huge, huge impact and a huge effect in a positive way. So are we choosing to be a builder, to build people up, or are we choosing to be a wrecker, someone that's going to try to tear someone down? Hopefully the former. Hopefully we're always trying to elevate people higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them through our words, through our actions and our choices. And I think too, it's so important that we do show compassion. It makes us feel better, helps us heal our hearts a little bit more. But we know that, we've been through some painful things, even at a young age. We've had some painful memories, right? But that doesn't have to define us. It can definitely make us stronger, having those experiences, right? Going through those tough times to maybe be able to help someone that's dealing with something similar, right? That we could kind of feel the shoes that they're walking in, figuratively, but also, try to be in their corner and really try to help them without judging things first, but really trying to get to know that person and their situation. And the more that we do that, yes, it fills us up for sure, but it also helps those people, to be able to heal fully, to be all in for this earth, which we need to have. We need to have happen. This world needs a lot more compassion, needs a lot more kindness. And I think, if we can all do our individual part and know that we have that opportunity to uplift or to destroy, that hopefully we're going to always choose to really help people rise, that we rise by lifting others. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here again at Maryland. Can't wait to see you again. Until then, have a great few next months until I return. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.